Welcome to HDMI Hub channel. You are watching top 5 best KVM switches. I included product links in video description below. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please like this video, if you enjoy it. Number 5. TESmart 4-port HDMI, KVM Switch. Reduced space combination KVM and HDMI video switch. Connects one keyboard, video monitor, and mouse to PCs, laptops, gaming consoles, streaming devices, cameras, and more. Multimedia focused transmit audio over HDMI to stereo output. Share USB peripherals with dedicated USB 2.0 port. Supports wireless keyboards and mice. Number 4. PWAY KVM Switch. Support 2-mode switching. 1-button switching, 2-hotkey switch. Use hotkey switch need to insert the keyboard and mouse into the HDMI dual monitor. KVM USB ports on the panel. When you insert the keyboard and mouse to the USB 2.0 port, it will not support hotkey switch. You can only using button switch under this condition. Number 3. Steetek KVM Switch. Button switching, wide compatibility. Quickly switch between the two computers, with just one click of the switch button. And no extra operations. Not support keyboard switch, avoid hotkey conflicts. Plug and play, no need to drive, cross-support multiple operation systems and devices. Number 2. Tripp Lite 4-port, DisplayPort USB KVM Switch. Supports 4K at 60Hz video resolutions, as specified in HDMI 2.0. Carries high dynamic range signals, for expanded color accuracy. Dual-mode DisplayPort, DP++ support. Allows connection of a local HDMI display. Dual USB 3.0 hub ports, let you share USB peripherals among connected computers. Push buttons, hotkeys and included IR remote. Allow easy toggling between computers. Number 1. IOGEAR 2-port USB, DisplayPort cable KVM Switch. Easily switch between your two DisplayPort computers and control them with one monitor, one keyboard and one mouse. This KVM offers the most efficient and affordable way to switch between your two DisplayPort computers. Hide the KVM anywhere, and use the 6-feet cable remote push button to switch between the two connected computers.